Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a quick video today on DIY face masks. I love face masks and I use them a lot. However, sometimes I think you should be careful just because you don't want to kind of be overusing a lot of chemicals on your skin. Obviously, if you're cleansing, you're toning, moisturising, you're exfoliating in the week, it's a lot that you are putting on your skin. So doing a DIY one with natural products is kind of a great way to still be using a mask, but without using these chemicals. So I wanted to start off the video talking about dry skin, as this is kind of the easier masks to make, I think, purely because obviously you're kind of just looking for things with moisturising properties in them. So great ingredients for this are organic Greek yogurt, olive oil and bananas, as these all contain hydrating properties. Honey and avocado are also really good, however these help maintain the moisture instead of giving you that moisture boost. So that's kind of like the basis of what you want your mask to be if you have dry skin. So for oily skin, obviously you want things with anti-inflammatory properties, antibacterial, something that isn't going to dry your skin out, but is also going to kind of give you a bit of a cleanse, get rid of all the dead skin cells and the excess build-up of oil. So some great ingredients for this are, again, organic Greek yogurt and also coconut, as I know I spoke about these for dry skin, but they also have anti-inflammatory properties and antifungal properties. So obviously they're two things that you do really want to try and include in your mask if you have oily skin and if you suffer from blemishes. Greek yogurt is also great because it contains lactic acid and alpha hydroxyl acids. These basically help dissolve dead skin cells and help get rid of the build-up of dirt on your skin and unblock pores. Brown sugar also does this, as it's a source of glycol acid, which means it basically breaks down the protein that's holding onto your dead skin cells. So it kind of also works as like an exfoliator, which is really great. Honey, again, is amazing as it retains your moisture. I know this sounds weird and this is something that people often find confusing. However, if you have oily skin, you still want to be retaining the moisture in your skin, just because if you don't, then your skin will overproduce excess oils, which then will obviously clog your pores and will cause you to have blemishes. So although you don't want your skin to be oily, you want to retain that moisture. So yeah, honey is a really good thing for this. Aloe also, I know that's quite a common thing, but it is really good because it has antiseptic properties. It also soothes the skin, so it has anti-redness properties as well. It's going to give you a more even complexion, which obviously is great. So yeah, like I said, they're kind of the ingredients that you want the base of your mask to be. So they're the things that you want to add in first. Now, some extras that you can also put in are, if you want a bit of a glow and you want your skin to look more plump and youthful and overall just a bit more healthy, anything that dissolves dead skin cells is great because it's then going to reveal your healthy skin cells underneath, which immediately will make you look more glowy. So Greek yogurt is great for this. Anything also that acts as an exfoliator, like I mentioned earlier, brown sugar. Baking soda is also great, and it's something that I would go for instead of brown sugar if you have sensitive skin, just because it's a little bit less harsh. Two other things I think are really good and you should try and add into your mask if you can is, one is papaya, because this contains vitamin A and vitamin C. You've probably heard me mention a few times vitamin C is one of my favourite ingredients at the moment. I've been using it quite a lot and it has really made a difference to my skin. It just looks glowier and healthier and I really, really like it. Another thing that's going to do this is lemon juice, as this is really rich in vitamin C, so it's going to act as a brightening agent. One thing that I will mention is you have to be a bit careful with especially lemon juice because it's very acidic, so you don't want to be putting loads of that on your skin. But papaya, if you have sensitive skin, be a bit careful with that also. The last kind of thing, ingredient space, that I want to talk about, sun damage and pigmentation, and something to help protect the skin. Olive oil is a really great thing, as this is known to reduce the signs of sun damage. Turmeric also, I know that's quite big at the moment, a lot of people are using that. Is also really good because it's been proven that it reduces signs of pigmentation. So that's a really great thing to add if you want to even your complexion. Lastly, banana, funnily enough, is an antioxidant. It's also really moisturising, so that's a great thing as well if you have dry skin. But in terms of protecting the skin, it protects against free radicals, such as pollution and things like that. One other thing that I wanted to touch on was tips for those with sensitive skin. I know this can be really hard because if you have sensitive skin, it makes you less likely to want to try new things and kind of make things yourself, because you're obviously going to be worried about how your skin is going to react to it. All of the ingredients I've mentioned are obviously natural, so they shouldn't really affect your skin massively. They should be okay. The only two things that I've mentioned that I would say be careful with is papaya and lemon juice. I know obviously these are things that contain a lot of vitamin C, so are going to be the popular ingredients. So if you do still want to add them and you have sensitive skin, just add little bits at a time and kind of see how you go with it. However, one thing that you can do is add oatmeal to your mask. Oatmeal is something that's really soothing, so it's a really good thing to add if you are planning on adding things like lemon juice and papaya, just because it's going to soothe the skin and prevent it from being irritated by those ingredients that are a little bit harsher. So yeah, you should be fine if you have sensitive skin. Add the harsher products a tiny bit at a time to see how you get on with them, and definitely add oatmeal because that is something that's really going to help. So they're all the kind of natural ingredients that you can probably find in your cupboards. They're not going to be that expensive, so it's a great alternative rather than just buying a ready-made mask. The other thing that I wanted to touch on really quickly, that I actually got the idea from my mum, who's been doing this for quite a while. You can basically buy vitamin capsules online. So for example, vitamin E obviously is a great one if you have dry skin. Also, if you are suffering from acne, scarring and things like that, vitamin C also reduces that. But what you can do is you can buy the capsules online, you can make your mask, put all the ingredients that you want in it, and then you can break the liquid capsules into your mask and mix that in with it as well. So that's just going to give you an extra surge of vitamins if you're worried that you're not going to find them in the natural ingredients, or you're not going to get as high as a percentage using the natural ingredients that you would want. You can buy them online really easily, and you can buy them in bulk as well and just keep them in your cupboard. But yeah, I hope all of this has been helpful, and I hope you go away and try your own DIY masks. Have a play around with it. They really are great, and like I said before, it's a great way of kind of staying clear of too many chemicals. Let me know how you found the video. Please do like and subscribe. Leave me any comments. I know some of you have already started doing that, which I love. I don't know if some of you have realised, but I also leave an Instagram profile link in the description, just because I post videos probably around once a week, but I also post more on Instagram, just like photos and product recommendations and things. So go and have a look at that. I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.